For any business, the highest cost is customer acquisition cost, and referral program is one of the ways to reduce that cost drastically. This is a great way to acquire new customers and help bring transparency in your influencer referral programs and increase repeat sales. It also helps you to create value for the brand because when people refer a product to others, they are using their own reputation as well. And it helps people to trust your brand. We will see how referral programs work in hyper inventory and how to create a referral program. So you have to go to offers and click on referral program, then click on create referral program icon. Now there are three steps in this. What will the customer who is referring be getting in return? The customer's friend to whom the customer is referring, what will he get in return? And the terms and conditions and what you want to give, when you want to give it, and how is the timeline. In this case, we will be giving cash points. Cash points are basically a terminology which we have given. You can also call it as reward points or coins, and there are many different terms people use. We call it as cash points so as to not get in trouble with the government by calling it cash. So, when will a customer earn the cash points? There are two ways. One way would be as soon as the friend of the customer to whom he refers signs up to your website. The other way is when you are doing e commerce business and the sign up is not as important as making a sale. So, in this case, the customer will earn cash points when the friend makes a purchase. In some of our brands, we have used this method to attract or loop in the influencers or KOL, key opinion leaders, or brand advocates, whatever you want to call them. This automates the entire process and brings transparency. Let's say if you have a network of influencers and you allow them to create a referral program through this. So when their referrals sign up or purchase something, the influencers will immediately get to earn cash points. Now it's up to you on how you want to reward the influencers. You can convert the cash points into cash incentives or they can purchase something from your own website. Now let's look at how to configure the referral program. After selecting this option, you need to define how many cash points a customer will earn. Now, again, there are two ways to define that. The customer will earn a flat number of cash points or a percentage of the sale that the friend is purchasing. Generally, the percentage is better according to us as it gives more incentives to the customer. The customer tries to influence their friends to make a larger amount of purchase. So let's say that a 5% of the sale that the friend is going to make will be received by the customer. Next thing is when should the cash points be credited to your customer's account? You can either credit them immediately as soon as the purchase happens or you can delay it by some number of days. In this case, we recommend that you delay it by 7 days. The reason is that within 7 days, generally, the return and refund policy takes place. So, even if a customer returns a product, you won't be in loss. Now, if you don't put a validity on something, then people see it as less valuable and it also gives them less incentives. So, let's say if you put 30 days or 60 days validity, then if the customer who's referring comes to your website, then they will utilize the cash points and make a new purchase too. Now, the referral program helps to bring in new customers and makes the existing customers to make new purchases too. We already defined what the customer is going to earn. Now, let's look at what the customer's friend is going to earn. In this case, there are three options. They can either earn cash points, which they can utilize in the next purchase, or they can get an immediate discount on the purchase that they are making. Or you can also decide to give them nothing. So, if you decide to give them cash points to the customer's friend who has signed up, so that there is enough incentive for this new customer that we are requiring to come again and utilize your platform to make a purchase. Based on your business model, you can define this. Now let's put some 5 cash points and validity as 3 days and click on continue. Now you need to put a title for this program. So let's put it as referral program. The description is only visible to you for your understanding and can be utilized by your team. If you have multiple sales channels or websites, so you need to choose on which website it's applicable. You also need to choose a start date and end date for this program. You can either run it for infinite time or a limited time. So let's put it as 14th and end it by 31st. This is active now and you can inactivate it later when you want. Now the referral program has been created successfully. Now you can see that this program is active, and when a customer shares their own referral code, the name of the customer and the friend who has signed up, their names will be displayed here. You can also see the sales channel and the cash points earned. The customer can also check the website for referral programs. So let's look on this website imaginext.co.in. So if you have enabled the cash points, this will be visible over here on top of the website, which you can refer to and invite your friends to join. We suggest that you also put a banner on the website so that the customers can see the referral program and earn cash points. We wanted to make this easier to understand and put a limit, so one cash point is basically 1 rupee. So if a new customer is coming to the website, then they can click on their account and you will come to this page. You can put in your email ID to log in and then click on request OTP. So now the OTP has been sent. You need to go to your mail and check the OTP and click on verify. Now you can go to your account and you will be able to see the referral code which you can directly share with people. You can also go to refer and earn and see the referral code and all the people who have used it. At the same time, when the customer's friend comes to your website, you can see that you will be able to create an account and then you can copy paste the referral code. Thank you.